Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The question is from RCQ Philippines. Here is about equation. The question they ask, what's E for S into interval notation? So now I will show you the technique how to answer this one. First, we need to find the domain in here. So we have two square roots. So the domain in this situation, you got about 3x minus 4 over 5 is greater than or equal to number 0. 3x plus 4s or 4 over 5 is greater than or equal to number 0. So if we calculate in here, you got about s is greater than or equal to 4 over 15 and negative 4 over 15. So we combine two numbers together, so you got about s is greater than or equal to 4 over 15. Next, we have the negative sign in here next to the square root, so we put this square root go to the right, and now we have 3x minus 4 over 5 plus 4 over 5 is smaller than or equal to the square root of 3x plus 4 over 5. Later that we put the square in the both sides. So you just copy in here, and this one copy in here, and then you expand this one. You got about 3x minus 4 over 5 plus 8 over 5 multiply with 3x minus 4 over 5 plus 16 over 25 is smaller than or equal to 3x plus 4 over 5. So we have 3x which cancel. This number go to the right, this number go to the right. So you got about 8 over 5 multiply with the square root of 3x minus 4 over 5 is smaller than or equals to 24 over 25. We divide both sides with 8 over 5. So you got about 3 over 5. We put the square in the both sides. You got about 9 over 25. So we put this one in here, and we can find the value of s. So we combine the domain in here. So you got about 4 over 15 is smaller than or equal to s, and s is smaller than or equal to 29 over 75. But the question they just asked about what's E for s. So we multiply both sides with number 4. So the question is asked about interval notation. So the answer should be in here. That's the end. Thank you for watching.